If you're curious about the latest AI tool on the market, Luppa AI is making waves. And today, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this cutting-edge software. Stick with me to the end because there's a lot to unpack, and trust me, you'll want to know all the details before deciding if this is the AI software for you. First off, Luppa AI was just released, and it's already catching the attention of digital marketers, content creators, and businesses looking for a smarter way to automate tasks. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, it promises to revolutionize the way you work. You can try it completely free, by the way, using the first link below. Now let's dive into what makes Luppa AI stand out. One of the first things you'll notice is how user-friendly it is. Unlike some other complex AI tools out there, Luppa AI is designed with simplicity in mind, meaning you don't have to be a tech wizard to start using it. That's a big win for anyone new to AI software. Second, Luppa AI excels at automating repetitive tasks. It uses machine learning to analyze your workflow and then automates tasks like content generation, scheduling, and social media management. This means you can save hours every week that would otherwise be spent on mundane tasks. Whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce store, or handling digital marketing campaigns, Luppa AI can optimize your time. Another key feature that sets Luppa AI apart is its ability to personalize automation. Not all businesses are the same, and Luppa AI recognizes that. You can customize its functions to fit your exact needs, whether you're working on a marketing campaign or customer support. The flexibility it offers is a huge plus. What's really impressive, though, is how Luppa AI integrates with other tools. It doesn't just sit in its own bubble. It works seamlessly with platforms you probably already use, like Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, and other marketing tools. This integration means you don't have to worry about disrupting your existing workflows. One area where Luppa AI shines is in its content generation. It can quickly produce high-quality articles, blog posts, and even social media content. If you've ever struggled to keep up with content creation, this feature alone can be a game changer. It's not just about speed either. The quality of the content it generates is impressive. For those of you who are data-driven, Luppa AI also provides robust analytics. It tracks everything from engagement rates to conversion metrics, giving you the insights you need to adjust your strategy and improve results. This data-driven approach helps you make smarter decisions and ensures that you're not wasting time on strategies that aren't working. Finally, Luppa AI is constantly being updated. The team behind it is dedicated to improving the software, adding new features, and making sure it stays ahead of the competition. So, if you're worried about investing in something that might become outdated, rest assured Luppa AI is built for the long term. Now, if you're still unsure, I get it. Choosing AI software can be a big decision, especially with so many options available. But after testing countless AI tools, Luppa AI has quickly become one of my top recommendations. You can try it for free right now and see how it fits with your workflow. The link is in the description. And if you're looking for other AI tools that can help streamline your business or personal tasks, I've got a list of my top recommended software in the description. After testing thousands of options, I can tell you these are some of the best tools out there. Remember to give Luppa AI a try. It could be the best decision you make for your business in 2025.